Hey guys, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. So here I am using a paper. This is basically to protect another pages from stain. And here I am using the tape. I am using the tape wherever I want the border should be. And it will help to fix the page. At first I am doing just a pencil sketch. It's just a rough sketch. Always I do a rough sketch before doing the main sketch. Here I am using Lines waterproof gel pen. Believe me, this is lifesaver. This pen is very helpful for drawing, I think, because this is waterproof and we can do outlines with this. So now we are doing the outlines. Here I am just filling it with this, but if you don't want, you can do it with the colors. Now we will make some designs on it. You can do any design you want as your wish. Now I'm just cleaning here the pencil strokes. Here I am using Febicryl acrylic colors. It has 10 shades in it. I will provide the link in the description box in case you want to check it out. And here I take a cup of water. Here I am using this 10 number brush. Now I'm taking plain water and just putting it on the page. And then I take the blue color from the color box and started painting this. At first we have to keep in mind that acrylic color is very good in drawing because this is very bright colors and it really looks amazing. But when we started working with acrylic colors on paper, we have to think in mind that this is very first dry. We need to do very first mixing with the colors. I am keeping the deep blue color in the border of the paper. So now I am using this 6 number brush, and here I took orange color and I took the yellow color from the Febicryl acrylic color set. So now we will paint this. I'm giving this yellow color. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you like this video, then please give a thumbs up and share this video as much as you can. So if you are new here, then please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for future videos notifications. Now again I am using Lines waterproof gel pen, but if you want you can use acrylic colors here. Now I am using white color here and just doing these little dots. This will enhance this picture. So yeah, we are done. Then we remove this tape.